free Porsche giveaway. Yes, you guys heard that correct. One of you all will be winning this Porsche for free. Wait, like for free? Yes, free, like $0. Guys, we are so happy to announce that we will be giving away our Porsche Boxster to celebrate 1 million subscribers. So 1 million subscribers, we're coming up on that number really fast. It could literally happen in the next few days. It could be a week, I'm not quite sure. We've had so many new people join the channel in the past week. You guys are awesome. If you are new, welcome. We're happy to have you here. We really appreciate you joining us on this crazy adventure with all these cool cars. At 1 million subscribers, or shortly thereafter, we will be selecting the winner at random to win this car. Now I know you guys are wondering, how do you enter? I want to enter right away. Well, it could not be easier. This is not a giveaway where you have to buy $100 worth of merch. This isn't something where you have to join our monthly subscription package or anything. You don't have to pay us $1 to enter into this for free right now. Literally, all you need to do is hit 3 buttons. Yes, 3 buttons, and they are all in the description below. So as you guys know, or may not know, we have 3 YouTube channels. This one, JR Garage, and then we have an entrepreneurship business channel called JR Business, and then we have an aviation channel, JR Aviation. So those are our 3 channels, and all you have to do is subscribe to them. And then also, you have to follow us on Instagram, at JR Garage. That's needed so that we can accurately enter every single person who followed us into this giveaway to pick at random, because on YouTube, if you don't have your subscription to the public, I won't be able to see that you subscribe to us and won't be able to enter you into our huge spreadsheet when we go to randomly select a winner. If you don't have an Instagram, then drop a comment on this video saying, hey, I subscribe to all the channels, but I don't have an Instagram, and then I'll enter you manually that way. So that's the best way to get everyone entered in there so that we can randomly pick a winner. You guys hear that correctly. We are randomly picking a winner. We're not gonna pick our aunt or uncle or our best friend. It's completely random. Anyone can win. Now, you gotta be in the US to actually win the car. US, Canada, maybe. That's not to say you can't win some other cool prizes if you're outside of the US, so still do all the steps to enter anyway. And prizes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're gonna be giving away an iPad, a GoPro, something to start your own YouTube channel if you want, and then a bunch of t-shirts. So we're gonna be picking a ton of winners, so regardless, whether you're in the US or not, go enter into this, hit those 3 buttons and potentially win yourself a car, GoPro, iPad, shirt, whatever. It's just gonna be a lot of fun. Like, we've really wanted to do something big for 1 million subscribers, and I can't think of anything bigger than giving away a car. Let me show you around it real quick. So if you're not familiar with this car yet, it's our 2001 Porsche Boxster, speed yellow, probably the best color you can get. Great looking car, came back together really nicely. It's not perfect, it's got 128,000 miles, but it's a great driver. Christian and I, before the giveaway winner is selected, we're gonna do an oil change, a service, make sure it's all ready to go. We may put black wheels on it, and the only thing that's gonna change is the sports seats are already sold. We sold them a while ago, so we just have to swap them for the normal seats, which are right over there. But they're powered in a bunch of different directions, better than these actually, so they'll actually be a lot more comfortable than these ones. Of course, if you guys didn't know already, it is a 5-speed manual transmission. If you end up winning the car and don't know how to drive a manual, we will also teach you how to drive a manual if you don't know how to already. I mean, if you're somewhere within driving distance, that would be great. You know, you can pick up the car, meet us, maybe go for a ride in the green UGR. I think we'll throw that in. Whoever wins and comes here can get a ride in the twin turbo Lamborghini. If you live super far away and can't make it in, then we can help you arrange shipping. We know some good companies, so we'll work with you there. Another cool mod, as you guys remember from last video, we put on the 5-speed Super Cup exhaust, which sounds amazing. This thing screams, and it sounds like a proper Porsche now. It's got brand new brakes all the way around, rotors and pads. It's only fair that we, share this with a subscriber, share this with one of you guys, because without you guys, we wouldn't be at 1 million subscribers. 3 years ago now, just over 3 years, 15-year-old Jeffrey, or 16, however old I was, wanted to just create a fun YouTube channel, have some place to store some videos, didn't think much of it. And then with your guys' help, it blew up into something far bigger than we ever could have imagined. I wish Christian was here to film this video with me, but he's actually back in Virginia. He's dealing with the Bentley Flying Spur. If you guys remember, I owe you an update on that video. Everyone's asking, where's the Bentley, where's the Bentley? He's dealing with that, the S6 944 Turbo, a couple cars that we still have back east, and then we're probably gonna ship them out this way, so stay tuned for that. But of course, he greatly appreciates you guys' support just as much as I do. And guys, remember, these other channels we're having you subscribe to aren't just like random channels. They're our channels. It's our second and third channel, JR Business. It talks all about entrepreneurship. You guys are constantly wondering, so what does this kid do to make all this money to afford all these cars? Well, we explained it all on that channel, so go check it out. There's 40, 50 videos out there talking about our businesses, what we do, what we've been doing for the past 10 years in entrepreneurship to hustle our way to get these cars. So that's some good information. And then JR Aviation, our third channel. As you guys know, we have a huge interest in aviation and planes. We want to work toward getting our pilot's license, which would be an awesome goal. And we actually have an airplane on order. Yes, we bought a plane. If you guys didn't know that already, go check out that channel as well when you subscribe. There's awesome videos over there. And the most recent video, actually, Sasha and I went to New York City, and I surprised her with an open door helicopter flight over New York City. So that was an awesome video. That's the most recent video on JR Aviation. So yeah, it's literally as easy as hitting 3 buttons. But enough of me talking. Let's grab the keys and start this bad boy up and get it out into the light for one last look. Yes, I store my keys in a Walmart bag, if you didn't know already. Okay, anyway. Porsche right here, bingo. Fab Speed exhaust keychain. We just washed it, my buddy and I, and it is looking so awesome, but let's get it out into the light. Ignition on the left side, classic Porsche. Fires right up. Okay, as you can see, no lights on the dash. This thing runs so nicely. Oh, that sound. I think it's only fair if we grab a quick exhaust clip. We need some revs. Like I said, bittersweet, but I hope it goes to a great home. Literally 3 clicks could change your life. JR Garage, JR Aviation, JR Business. All linked down below, top links in the description. It'll take you maybe 12 seconds to enter into this car giveaway and potentially win a Porsche worth thousands and thousands of dollars. And of course, I have the title in hand. It's not with a bank or anything like that. So whether you come to pick it up here, I'll sign it right over to you, or if you want to ship it, then I'll mail it to you. 3 buttons, 12 seconds, that could literally change your life. Just go hit those 3 buttons. It would greatly mean a lot to us. So I hope to see a ton of you guys take advantage of this awesome opportunity. Down the line, maybe a few days before we select the winner, we may have a way to get some bonus entries. I don't know what that may be. Maybe following us on another social media platform, or maybe picking up a shirt from the JR Garage store will get you some bonus entries. I'm not sure, but regardless, subscribing to those 3 channels and following us on Instagram is how you get your first free entry. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you in part 3 of the S600 rebuild either tomorrow or in a few days, and then a whole bunch of good content on the way. Thank you so much once again. Have a great rest of your day, and hey, this may be your new car. Take care, guys.
That it feels right.